Howdy Hoopers, this is Shay Rippinger here of Hip the Hoopla with the chorus for the World Hoop Day Dance, which repeats 4 times. So here, let's go review it one more time. So we're going to take it in our right hand. We're going to go up 1, 2, down 3, hold 4, up 5, 6, down 7, down 8. Then we're going to take right palm spin, 1, 2, step right through, step left through, 3, 4, and then bring this up 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we're going to do a flippy 4, 1, 2, again 3, 4. Again, 5, 6, and step through 7, 8. Then we're going to take it with an escalator up 1, 2, hold 3, hold 4, and then around 5, 6, again 7, 8. Okay, one more time. We're going to take this up 1, 2, hold 3, 4, up 5, 6, down 7, 8. Palm swing 1, 2, step through 3, 4, up 5, 6, 7, 8, and then around 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, and then up 1, 2, hold 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's it. Rock on. Peace out. Bye.